Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Gavin.
Hi.
Yeah, it's day 2 and we are going to, we're bound to Croatia, but we'll pass by Slovenia. And kung ato kag Slovenia, you should also buy this. They call it vignette. I don't know how much it is. You can buy it sa mga gasoline station, and then you just stick it here sa imong car, so they will know that you did buy it. It's just like I don't know, maybe a toll fee or something, road tax, not really road tax, but I don't know. Yeah, but you have to buy that then before you enter. And some would take the risk na dili kay di makitaan, but there's a big penalty kung what if you didn't buy it. So let's see how much my Nasha sa suit, he's buying it. You can in any gas station, so like the city before the boundary, then you should buy it. Yeah. How are you so far? Good. You kuya?
Good.
Let's see. Kanisha was the one from yesterday. That's a vignette for Austria. That costs 10 euro. And it's good for 10 days. So meaning to say, let's say when 10 days after or before the 10th day or on the 10th day, if you will pass by Austria, so you don't need to buy again, because it's good for 10 days, the validity. So we're gonna stay in Croatia for like 6 days, so it should still be valid. So yeah, pila ang gasolina there. Diesel is 1.75, super is 1.7 cents. What can you say? Are you tired? You kuya?
Not that tired.
You're not that tired. Why is Papa taking so long? Let's see. There, he's happy. Let's see how much. Huh?
What is that?
So this is it.
What is it, Mama?
It's like the vignette kuya. Remember, every time you cross or pass by a country, you have to pay a toll fee or Juldigong. So here, this is the vignette. So that's how it's spelled. So it means it's like you pay for entering the country kuya. So because remember, we're in Österreich, right?
Yeah.
For us to go to Croatia, we have to pass by Slovenia. That's another country. That's the country next to Österreich. So you have to buy a vignette. You see it? It's VIG, and it says here we bought this around this time. And how much? It doesn't say. And it's 7 days. This one, it's 15 euro.
Please turn left
Tag
in
15
200
guys.
meters.
Sa una kay
12.
oh, ni mahal na jud. Mahal na tanan. So ang vignette sa Austria kay tagpila pa ba?
Austria kay
13.
10.
Ano, 10. So mas mahal ang Slovenia.
Now turn left.
15 ang Slovenia. Oh, mas mahal no kay
7 days.
10 days good ang kuhan.
Yeah. Pero kay wala may toll.
Ayaw, wala man sa ito. So mas mahal kay ni bayad ba tag toll nga 23.
Toll nga 13.
Please turn
So,
right in
23 na.
100 meters.
23 for 10 days na ang Slovenia kay 15 for 7 days. So na dili siya sticker, but you should make sure you're ready with this in your car just in case. There's a QR code. Okay, I'll mobalik ko guys once we pass by, once we enter Slovenia. Okay, at least we're ready with this. The gas tank is full. We're ready to go. right? And he's sleeping. He always sleeps if it's a long drive. Good night, Garren. So guys, this is your view once or when you're driving towards Slovenia. So this is still Austria, but we're almost in the border.
What's it about this?
Now turn left.
Heaven.
So guys, as I've mentioned earlier, we didn't take the Autobahn route. We took this route instead. This is going to Kranjska Gora, Slovenia. So that's the first city or dorf that you'll be able to enter once you're in Slovenia in this route. And yeah, it's going to an Alpen road, so we're going up, and yeah, it's a bit the road is a bit steep going up. There's a lot of blind curves, so you should be very careful, but the view is superb and magnificent. That's not the one. So guys, hi, we're back. Madumi, Slovenia, but dili mi moagi instead sa highway.
Guys, traffic.
Yeah, likay sa traffic, pwede mo dili moagi.
Yeah.
Pero,
Tanaw sa naimbit ka view.
pero, kuhan lang.
This is lang i-drive.
Kaya
Bye.
ang driver. Or true, pasaka kay.
Ayaw mo agi dali kung iyan sa kinang karaan.
Kay kuyaw kayo. Kung make sure nga kaya kay kung ma-stock
Kaya
up
rin
ka
kay.
dire, lisod kay
Mas
kakwaon. Oh, see, grabe ang kurbada. It's like 360.
Nindot na rin partisan driving. Oo ka na. Sus. 45 degrees.
Look at that.
Oh, 45 degrees.
Aray, nabungol na.
Ano yata?
Grabe. Saka kay ni guys. Pareham. Papa.
Suzuki.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That.
Grabe ya, 45 degrees eh. Muaso mo naman sa kiyanan rin ang karaan.
Aray, nabungol ko.
Maglisod si Turandre.
So guys, yeah. Up, up, up. So dapat full tank ready ang air cars has been checked before going up.
Hindi ka ng full tank. But automatic na.
Okay, but if ready dyan ba? Makaagit sa katong na tank.
Tanke. Yeah.
Bunker Museum. Yeah, that's the Bunker Museum. You will see tanks from the...
Okay, border mo na sa una sa Gera.
Hier ist Ö3 der schnellste Verkehr.
you remember, Kuya, the tanks that we saw? Oh, no, ganyan pa ba? Buhay sa siya. There, see. Grabe.
paliton?
Wala. Walay border check. I think there's scams. There's a souvenir shop. There.
That's already fine.
Yeah.
No, nakapalit ba mong magnet?
Yeah. Guys, welcome to Slovenia. So this is Slovenia. We're going to one of the most famous lake here, which is Kranjska. And then after that, going straight to Croatia. So this is already our second time, but we just want to visit it again because it's really beautiful, especially with this beautiful weather. So stay with us. In our next video, we'll show you Lake Kranjska.
Grabe yan, slow pa niya. Kuya man nga ako. Maski. Dili man na pang begin na.
Please turn left in 300 meters. Now turn into the second street on the left.
Mana dyan ang roundabout?
Ayagi construct pa. Nice. It's so nice. Look at that. So guys, don't have much trivia or facts about Slovenia. I'm just learning as I visit the place. Maybe you can share some, information or facts about Slovenia that I can also learn from, trivias or whatever. But basically, my main point here is to share what we have seen, the beautiful nature, what we see when we drive or during our road trips. This is the end of our video, the drive to Slovenia, and please do watch our next video, which is the Lake Kranjska. From here, just 5 minutes drive, and we're already at the lake. So please stay tuned and watch out for our next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe Gavin and Garren's Adventure. Thank you. Cheers.